Hello dear friends and students, welcome to our new tutorial. Now we are going to start saving students data in our local database. Also I will use a library to show enrolled data in browser. Let me start it. First of all, we will create here a new package. New and right click on package db. Press OK and here we will create a Java class app database. Press OK. Inside this we will create some variables: private, context, private, sqlite database. Create its constructor public app database context and here this dot context is equal to context. Now create another class here or create database name. First, private static final database name. This type here first string students dot db. Private static final int data base version 1. We have created just these two variables, database name and database version. Now we will create another class. In this class extend this class sqlite open helper class and override these methods. Right click, implement these two methods here, remove this one, also remove these two values from here. Database name here and database version here, and right here keep null. Now come to your app database class here outside of this class and make variable of this class creamapps database. We will make here a global variable private creamapps database now make here a method public return type app database open public app database open throws android dot database dot sql exception sql exception. Return type is this return this. Here make variable creamapps database new creamapps database pass here its context and sqlite database is equal to get writable database. Make here another method public void close creamapps database dot close. By these two methods we can open and close our database. Now we will create a table and its columns. Come here at database table name private static final table name students string and right here its name table underscore students. Define the columns of students table private static final string column next student id. In the same way we will write here all the rows. I have written these columns of students table. Now I will make queries to write to create tables and its columns. These two queries will create and drop tables. Copy this code and go here write here your table name students, and also write here table name students. And if you have any changing in this, you can write here. We have id, name, phone, email, password, and this is extra, we will remove it. Also we have blob image and date, all of values are same. Now we will create this table on create method and on upgrade method. sqlite database dot create table contents, and here sqlite database dot execute query drop tables students pictures. This is not included here, we'll change students, drop table of students, change it here. When we will run first time, it will create this table. We have just created this table, and we have to remove this line also from here, we don't need it. Now we will create our method here to insert student data. Public long insert students write here some code like this: content values select this one, make its variable is equal to new content values. Here we have to pass all the values: string, name, string, email, or according to this sequence I will write here string phone, again string email, and then password, string password, and string image. Image will be in byte format, byte image, and then date is also in string format. Content values dot put string key, and then its value, this one, select this one. Here our key is column name, student name, and right here name. Content values dot put, select this one, column phone and give its value phone. The same way we will write all other values. For putting your image in sqlite, put its type, change its type here, put like this one, column image, student image, and image byte here. And now last item is both types are string. Select this one, column date, student enrolled date, and then its value date. Now we will write its query here, long inserted id is equal to sqlite database dot insert. Here we need table name and null column, and then values. Table name students, then write here null, and then content values. If there is no mistake, hopefully there will be no mistake, and we can insert student data successfully here. Here we have to return this value, return inserted id. Now we will go to register activity and make object of this class here. App database, make its object like this, new app database, pass its context here, and open database, app database dot open will open the database, and then we will insert app database dot insert method. Now we will insert values here. First of all is name, full name, full name, full name. Then second value is phone, string phone. Then third value is email. Then next value is password, string password, and next value is byte. We will use this method get image byte, but for it we need to pass here image bitmap. Go here and make this variable global. Now pass this bitmap here. You can also put a check here. It's asking for date, last date, last thing is date. Here pass get current date method, it will return us our date. This is showing some error. Go to this method again in database class, right here these brackets, and go here. This error will remove, and now give here semicolon. Now close app database. Dot close. Now we will run it in our emulator. APK file is installing. I have run it in debug mode so that we can check values are inserting or not. Go to register. We don't need this one. Control and go there and uncheck these values. First of all, we will select image, any name, I have added one student here. Let me register this. All of data is coming here. Adil, Farooq, and its email and address. Now database open and insert these values in database. Make here check and it will come here. It is showing inserted ID 1. It's mean we have successfully created our students table. If we will add another student, it will show inserted ID 2. It's mean our auto increment is showing that our table is successfully created. Now we will add another I have added another student, Osama, and now we will register it. It should return inserted ID 2. Yeah, we have successfully added 2 students in this database. In next tutorial I will show you how we can use a library to show this data in our Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to share it with your friends. Take care.